Mix it all around and evenly coat. Into the oven, 6 minutes. Once the timer goes off, get in there and coat them again. Be sure to spread them out into a nice thin layer again. Back to cook for another 6 minutes. When the timer goes off again, go ahead and coat them one more time. Each time the glaze is getting thicker and stickier and coating the cashews. More minutes. Time's up. Take them out. Spread that gooey goodness all around again. I spread mine out onto some silicone mats to keep them from sticking. I find parchment paper and wax paper don't quite do the trick. At this point, you're also supposed to put them into a bowl and sprinkle sugar on them, but I just spread them out and sprinkle the sugar on.